Hey YouTube, what is going on? Brandon here with another printer video. Today we've got the Epson XP6000. Basically, if you're having any issues with your print quality, certain color just isn't printing, or you just have choppy prints and you just have issues in general with your print quality, I'm going to share some information today that's going to help you solve that problem easily and inexpensively. So I recently launched my product. It's the Best Printers Cleaning Kit. This is what you are going to use to clean the print head on this printer if you're having issues with it. And just really quickly, we'll get more into it, but there's going to be a link in the description below. It's going to be the first link to this cleaning kit so that you can go ahead and purchase it on Amazon.com. It's very inexpensive and it's going to save you a whole lot of money compared to what you would do if you were paying for a repair service. Anyone can use this cleaning kit, and these instructions here are for anyone. I highly recommend anyone try doing this. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get right into the video. Alright, so what you are going to need to clean the print head is you're going to need some paper towel. Every household has paper towels, so you're just going to fold it up just like this. You're going to lift up the top of the printer, and if you haven't gone there already in your maintenance, you're going to want to go to that you want to replace the ink cartridges. So it's going to be the very last one. So it's going to start it, and you just notice there that it's moving a little bit. So it's going to move out of place, out of being locked into a unlocked position, and it's going to be able to be moved. Once it is unlocked, you're going to go ahead and just power it off right away. Hold the print head in place. You're not going to do any damage to it. It's completely fine as long as you are gentle with it. You're going to remove all of your ink. Now, a lot of these issues come from running your ink too low. So what I'm going to do right now, in the description below, I'm going to leave a link to some brand new ink, some 302i ink. And do not proceed with this project until you get some brand new ink. And that is really going to help you. That's really going to help you. It's actually something I would consider mandatory before you continue the process. But I'm going to leave a link again to that ink so you can go ahead and get that. So next, you're going to go ahead and lay down your paper flat down just like that. And actually just like this, the print head just comes across here. And you're going to just leave that right in there. So you're going to move your print head right over the paper towel. And next, you're going to grab your 20 milliliter syringe. Now again, this kit is in the description below. Anytime during this video, you can pause the video and go down there and go ahead and click on the link and purchase it right away. So what you're gonna do basically, what you're doing is you're grabbing the tip of this syringe. If you're having issues with black, you're gonna go ahead and put your syringe right over black, and you're going to push some cleaning solution right through there. Now this isn't a perfect fit, but it'll still do the job. 100% will still do the job, and so that's why I recommend you use this cleaning kit so that you can go ahead and push as much through. It's going to be a little messy. You're going to need to have a towel on hand, but you're going to see right now how the towel at the bottom looks. It's a lot of that ink has been pushed through. So you're just laying it flat on top, flush. You also are going to want to have some gloves. I would highly recommend using gloves when you're doing this. But right when you're done, so I'm going to do this one. This was the last one, and I've used up all my syringe. So now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to go over this, right over it, and you're going to dry it off. So you dry all the nozzles off. Make sure that everything is 100% dry. This is a very important part when you're doing it on this type of printer. On other printers, usually you don't have to if it has a different type of print head. But on this one, you really need to make sure that you are drying everything off completely. Once it's completely dry, you see the paper, how it is there? That's exactly how it should look. You should have ink that was stuck in the print head right in that paper. And so all you do is you dispose of that paper and focus on the color that you had most of your issues with. If you do that, you will be able to solve the problem much faster. Okay, I will dry off anything that is wet in this area. Dry it off because there's going to be a lot of fluid, cleaning fluid that went through it. Again, that is how you use it. This is the Best Printers Cleaning Kit, and I made this cleaning kit specifically for it to clean the print head. So after that, all you need to do really is just replace your ink. You're done here. So again, if you didn't purchase your new ink, I would go down in the description right now to purchase that. You can go ahead and quickly right away, once you get the cleaning kit in the mail and once you get your ink, you can get them around the same time. I'm going to leave a link also to some Amazon Prime so you can get those shipments in quicker if that's what you were looking to do. So you, assuming that you have new ink, you're going to put it right back in and you're going to do some testing. You're going to test whatever you were wanting to print, or there's also in the maintenance section you can do test prints, and that's what I would recommend doing. It's much quicker. And if you still have issues, when you do a test print, it shows you which color it is that you're having issues with. So when you do a test print, you see that it's cyan or it's yellow or magenta. That is what you're going to focus on when you're doing the cleaning. And if you need to unload the whole syringe into yellow, let's say, or magenta, do that first and then clean the rest of them. But really focus on the color that you're having issues with. It's very simple. Anyone can do this. Highly recommend anyone does it. And that's really all there is to it. So as I said before, there's a link in the description of this video for you to be able to purchase this cleaning kit. There will also be a link to my website, bestprinterstech.com, where you can purchase this printer, you can purchase this cleaning kit. But if this, for whatever reason, does not work for you, I would go to this website, bestprinterstech.com. I'm also going to leave a link in the description for this printer. If you ended up deciding that this didn't work and you wanted to buy a new printer, or you just didn't want to try this method, I'm going to leave a link for you to purchase a new printer, a new XP 6000, so that you can go ahead and get that in the link in the description below. I'm going to leave a link to my website, and for Amazon Prime, a membership to Amazon Prime. I highly suggest that you go down in the description below. There's a lot of resources there for you. Be sure to like this video and subscribe. I would really appreciate that as well. If you have any questions at all, comment below. But for now, thanks for watching, and until next time.